All right, what's up, guys? I'm back with another trade recap. Today is February 26th. It's currently like 9:16 a.m. I'm already done with the session. You can see by my calendar right here, I had a good day today. Took one trade today, lasted about 5 minutes long, made me $600, and brought my Tradeovate live account that we have been trading, and I've been taking you guys along with that. We're back at the all-time highs now, above the all-time highs. But anyway, this video, I'm going to break down how I made $600 in literally 5 minutes. What was my trade thesis today? And before I begin, if you guys like these videos, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. The reason why I make these videos is because I know that these videos would have helped me a lot when I started trading order flow, which was like 1 year ago. But yeah, anyway, let's get into what made me put this trade on. And before we do that, I'll give you guys a little context. So what I noticed from yesterday was this area right here from like 60 to 65 area. And I noticed that this was kind of where the fight was happening yesterday, if you will. Like this is resistance, resistance turns to support. And essentially, this was kind of like my line in the sand for today. I marked out this low from after the session closed. And my main thesis today was I wanted to see what would happen if price came down to, originally I wanted to sweep the overnight low to look for buyers to play long. And also I had the 996 to like 610 area as just a place where the selling has been very strong. So this is pretty much just like seller's territory. And my thesis today was really to look for longs, but I wanted to see them down here below the overnight low around, as long as we were above 60 to 65, I was looking for long opportunities on pullbacks. So what happened was actually kind of interesting because what I witnessed today was, it almost seemed like it was a battle between buyers and sellers at the price 5985, which from yesterday was a significant area from large participants stepping in and causing a sweep that left a zero print. And it basically just became a level of interest for me. But yeah, so I saw some anomalous activity happening in this area. And now I'm going to just hop right into the live recording and kind of better explain to you guys what I saw. Let me move myself down here. All right, so my entry was right around 8:45. I'm on Central Time. What happens is pre-market is selling off pretty good. We open up and we get some more selling pressure down to around the 77, this area right here, the 78s, 79s. And originally I did not see anything. I was waiting for my overnight low to get swept before really looking for buyers. But this is what kind of changed my mind. So what you can see is the buying was strong. We come back down and we're sitting right where the buying started. So at this moment, I was actually thinking that 8.5 would become a good area to short at after we just kind of immediately sold all the way back down, right? I was like, I'm not going to take it short because I don't really have a good target other than the 60s and 65s, and I just don't want to be short in this area. So in this very moment, I'm looking just to see what happens at this 8.5 area, and you can see there's a little bit of back and forth action happening. But really what caught my eye, and in hindsight, this already happened beforehand, but what caught my eye was this delta right here you can see on the DOM. So what I see is I see buyers reclaim 8.5, and if this was a good short opportunity, we would have probably already been out of this area. So now I'm thinking, okay, well, I can see there was clearly buyers here a second ago, and that was basically my whole thesis was, all right, 8.5 was a level of interest, and I just saw that there was buyers there, so I took it. And I was really using this delta right here as a point to invalidate my trade. So it's interesting because you can definitely see we broke below it, like right here, right? But we reclaimed it, and then we kind of used it as support, as you'll see. But I took it long, and my stop was right below 8.450. So I think it was actually at 8.425. It was at 8.450 or 8.425, and that would offer me right around a 2-point risk, roughly. At this point, you can just see buying steps in very strong. And for my target was, so I was targeting these highs right here, targeting those highs at 604 for my whole position. And if you guys are new here, I'm working on my exits. So what I want to do is I want to get out 75% at a 10 to 15 point profit. And then I want to only let 25% run for a little more. It happened all very quickly. The buying was very strong this morning and we just pretty much go straight up there. And yeah, I was all out actually before my target, which is another issue I need to work on, but I was really comfortable with that because so right here, I take 7 contracts into strength. It was really based on this 6,000 psychological. I didn't want to like wait on a pullback. 7 contracts off there. My remaining, I was targeting 604, but I take them off after we get this push right here. And you could say it was emotional, but at the same time, I really don't care. I had a 2 point risk for like um a 12-point reward or something. I'm not going to complain about that. I'm just going to really try with my exits to stick to scaling 75 or 70% off and then only letting a third run or 25% run. And like I said, the live account is right back at all-time highs, so that's good. And yeah, it was just a great day. So if you guys like these videos, give me a like, give me a subscribe. If you guys want to connect with order flow traders, hit the link in my description. Today we were pretty active in there. And yeah, that'll be it. So I'll catch you guys in the next one.